and good evening. Those of you who are Nigerians, please listen to me as Nigerians, and those of you who are non-Nigerians, please listen to me with an open mind. Speaking on this issue of restructuring Nigeria, I say no to restructuring. Why? Restructuring will only be another fraudulent act, just like Nigeria was itself established on a fraudulent act. Restructuring will only be an avenue for the elite who have destroyed this country at every level. It will be an avenue for them to be able to continue to milk the resources of this country dry. So I say no to restructuring. They have destroyed the country at every level, from the judiciary to the political system. They wield so much power, so much influence that it's just very, very difficult for anybody to challenge them. And I say no to restructuring. I'm sure a lot of you are watching me were beneficiaries of the free education system that we had in Nigeria, where Nigeria was still, a country. A lot of you, you were able to fulfill your dreams, you were able to achieve your goals, your ambitions, and become somebody today. But the same can simply not be said of the present educational system in Nigeria now, especially the public school system, which has been left dilapidated and destroyed and replaced by a private school system, which is only accessible and affordable to a few people of the Nigerian population. So, and also the same thing with our healthcare. Our healthcare system is in a shambolic state. That's why a lot of these politicians, they are ready, at any cost to be able to travel, because every time any small ailment, they have access to the best hospitals in the world. But what about the average Nigerian who does not even have a passport? What happens to them? These politicians go to different countries. They go to UK, they go to India, they go to America, to be able to take care of their health needs. They go to this country, they know the level of infrastructure, the level of amenities, the level of facilities in these countries, but that will never make them sit down and think of investing in Nigeria, but they rather, plunder our resources, into their own personal coffers. And I say no to restructuring, because restructuring will only be another avenue for them to be able to continue to enjoy the spoils and the fraudulent activities that they've been perpetrating for so long. It will just be extended, and it will just be disguised as a form of restructuring. So I say no. Nigeria is a divided country. Nigeria has so many issues. Nigeria has so many problems that I don't think restructuring alone will solve. So like I said so many times on my channel, it's better for us to be able to go our separate ways. The Yoruba people will go to Oduduwa Republic and we'll be able to take care of our own affairs. Just like so many areas in life, our judiciary, our political system has been bastardized and destroyed by this so-called elites because they control everything. Nigeria itself is governed by a few people. Only about 10% of the people, the same people, we see them in each election. It's so sad that a country of about 206 million people, so many academics, so many intellectuals, we are only governed by the same minute number of people who have no direction, who have no focus, who have no drive for Nigeria, and their only aim is to continue to be able to milk us dry and to be able to plunder our resources into their own public accounts, and to be able to continue to perpetuate all their corrupt practices. So I say no to restructuring. I do commend Pastor Adeboye of the Redeemed Church of God, for his stance. Anyways, for at least he's shown, he's shown the compassion for the plight of the average Nigerian. But it's simply not enough to ask for restructuring of Nigeria, because restructuring is only just going to be a gimmick. Let's face it, nothing is going to be changed. Nothing is going to change. A lot of the elites that have been enjoying all their, all the power, all the spoils, that's been benefiting from the corrupt system which has been created in Nigeria. They're not going to let it go. They're not going to basically just transfer, all these benefits, within the twinkle of an eye. So I say we are under a false illusion that restructuring will solve Nigeria's problems. So at this juncture in time, I say no to restructuring. Let's continue to fight for the cause of Oduduwa Republic. Thank you, my brethren.